So hello guys, in our previous video we have seen that all the products page. Suppose we want to open this product. So Jordan basketball, okay. It is slug, and suppose we want to open this URL. So it will look like this, okay. So we have this particular product page. Now in this video we want to open that particular page by clicking on these images, okay, on this products on this home page. So first of all we need to make changes in our home page. So for that, here we have to make changes, okay. So here we will use that product.get URL method that we have used for our category, if you guys remember, in store.html. Get underscore URL like this, okay. So this was for category, and for now we are using it for products, okay. So we will create the same method that we have created in our category model like this in our product model. So where is our product model? Here it is, and just create a function inside this, okay. Mm. So here we will make changes in this product detail, and this self dot slug we will use, but before that we will use self dot category dot slug, not this one, slug, and we have to import this reverse, okay. So now let's just update it here as well, so that we can access all the images. Mm, mm, Here uh, product dot get URL we will use product dot get URL, okay, on this image. Also in this title we will use the same. Okay, so first of all let's just check if it is working or not. Okay, so it is working now guys, that we when we are clicking on an image, it is opening that particular products page. So we'll do same for this title as well. Mm, Let me refresh. Now it is working perfectly. Let's just change this price, add a dollar sign here. Price, add a dollar sign here. Okay, now it looks perfect. And also this should be changed like short to short. Short to short. Actually, it is typo during this product's creation. Sorry for that. Okay, so it is updated now. Sorry guys, I have close right by mistake. What is this performance? Okay, so here is our home page. Okay, so you can see guys, here logo is not clickable, so we will make this logo clickable, that if we click on this logo it should redirect to home page. So let's just do this. Also this store is not working. Okay, so make this logo home page. Let's just make it, actually I think it is on our base.html. So find logo. Couldn't find that logo. Mm, okay, so it is in the neighbor, I guess. Okay. So logo, here it is, and inside this we will add URL of homepage. Now let's just check it. Okay, so now this logo is working, clickable, and also this store should be clickable, and it should open store when we click on that. For that, all category store, here it is, store URL and store. Just check this. Okay, so store is also working now. Okay, so also we have this see all button. This should open our store page. So let's just fix it. This is inside our home page. See all is here and store should be here. URL for store. Okay, so it is working now properly. Uh, okay, so the all our website is working proper. Also, we want to make this products clickable. Okay, so let's just to go to store.html. Inside this store.html, uh, there is for loop product price. Okay, so we will make changes here. Just remove this and use get URL. Let's check it. Okay, so it is working, and also on the image we will add here this anchor tag and just copy this. Okay, so now it is working properly. Okay, so if you have any query or doubts in this video, just comment it down and I will give you reply as soon as possible. So see you in the next video.